What's up guys, it's Miles here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Not Scary for Beginners on KineMaster. Select your video you want to use first, then you extract the audio and put it to -2. Then you put the audio to +200, otherwise volume will be wrong. Alright, now you go to color changer. If you don't have any of these effects, then click on the shopping app so you can get your effects. Anyways, go to color changer, then put the color offset to 360 and the hue to -180 or +180. Then duplicate your video and replace color changer with the ripple effect. Wait, actually replace the color changer effect with the mirror effect. Go to settings and put the mirror to reverse. Then duplicate mirror and replace the mirror with a ripple. If this happens on your iPhone, then I'm sorry to hear that, but you'll have to go to mirror and click send to back. Alright, here's the results. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!